News and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, Doge made it again to the news. So it's no secret that the Tesla Inc., a flamboyant CEO, Elon Musk and Shark Tank, Mark Cuban has backers of Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that is themed after Shiba Inu, Doge, Dog. The two has thrown their weights behind the meme currency, promoting it through their tweets and statements. So what happened? Musk seems to agree with Cuban's view that Dogecoin is the strongest cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange. Cuban made a statement in the interview in CNBC saying that adding, that since the beginning of time, right, he has always considered accepting Doge as a payment of merchandise in March, and Dallas Maverick has substantial sales. Mavericks are in NBA team owned by Cuban. Now it's a medium that can be used to acquire goods and services. The community for Doge is the strongest when it comes using medium of exchange, so Cuban told CNBC. Now in a reply to CNBC tweet of the article, Musk said he has been making this point for quite some time. I've been saying that this for a while, Elon Musk said in August 14, 2021. He said, why is it important? Dogecoin has showed muted reaction to tweet. It rose 8.7 on Friday before settling at 28.68 cents and has tagged to another 2.2% to 29.31 cents on Saturday. The meme currency hit an all-time high of 73.76% on May 8, coincides with Musk's appearance on the Saturday Night Live show, but has retreated since then. Now, with the noise made by its backers, the meme currency has breached the 30-cent mark for the first time since June 18. It remains to be seen if Doge has recaptured its mojo and is headed higher from here. At last check, Doge was up 6.26 at 30.15 cents.
Okay, now the Dogecoin is not just the meme coin. It has a purpose.
It
It's
has
it's
it has a
being used
purpose.
for a strongest medium of exchange and also for goods purchase services. Yeah.
Right. Not only that, Manish, yesterday we covered that there is a potential the programmers are working on the bridge between Doge and Vitalik Buterin on the Ethereum.
Yeah.
So, so there is
And
some
I
hope.
remember the tweet which Elon Musk couple of months back he posted that he's working with developer for the
Yeah.
Dodge announcement. So I still didn't forget his tweet, and I'm taking his tweets all seriously, and probably some great surprise is coming on the way. Yeah.
Yeah, so let's see what happens to Dodge. Just a disclaimer: we are owners of Dodge ourselves. We have invested tremendously a lot, pre bear market.
Yeah.
Sometime in April. So we bought it very cheap. For me personally, I bought it at 0.07 cents.
Wow.
So so
I
even
I think I purchased it around 19 or 20 cents. I think.
20 cents. Yeah, so we are in the profit margin now.
Yeah, 19 and
And
20 cents.
of course, the anticipated target price for Dodge is $1. I mean, that's the first step. So we'll see. We'll see.
Once this $1 hit, I will celebrate with champagne in a cruise.
So yeah, being in the bull market in the next 3 months, sometime between November and December, it's a good run up. So let's see what happens over there. Now, on the separate news, the Wolf of Wall Street trader expects Bitcoin to surpass 100,000 only this time within 6 to 12 months. Now, crypto trader Scott Melker is known as the Wolf of Wall Street. Expect the price of Bitcoin to hit a new all-time high by the end of the year. Now, I would not be surprised at all to see Bitcoin trading at six figures within the next 12 months, or Ethereum even pushing towards 10,000 in that time, he said. The trader also sees the Senate 1.2 trillion infrastructure bill as the biggest advertisement in history for Bitcoin. Now, the Wolf of Wall Street have seen many upsides in Bitcoin, pushing the price towards 100,000. The host of Wolf of Wall Street podcast shared his Bitcoin outlook with Kitco News last week. Melker is a trader and investor both privately at the Texan Texas West Capital. He's the author of the Wolf Den newsletter and an advisor to a number of blockchain-based projects. Now, in June last year, Binance awarded him the Influencer of Year award for North America. So, commenting of the 1.2 trillion infrastructure bill that the Senate has passed last week, he said it is the greatest advertisement in history for Bitcoin, with so many intense discussion within the crypto community and the growing number of lawmakers speaking in favor of the cryptocurrency. Now, it's raising awareness, which is probably actually causing more people to buy than sell. And he continued, we are talking about printing over trillion of dollars out of thin air to pay for the infrastructure bill that is absolutely nothing to do with cryptocurrency, but the one cryptocurrency provision froze the bill for 3 or 4 days, and the entire world is talking about Bitcoin and the crypto industry. There's some irony there, So the host of the Wolf of Wall Street podcast noted that the infrastructure bill still has to pass the House of Representatives and to be signed into law. That wouldn't even happen until 2023. So we are talking about a very long time horizon for an activity year. Another positive factor affecting the crypto market is the likelihood of Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund (EFT) being approved by the US Security and Exchange Commission. Your opinion. The approval of the EFT would be the biggest single event in history of Bitcoin for the large wall of money to have confidence to enter. Pension funds, endowments, sovereign wealth funds, they will come in where there's EFT. The trader elaborated. That would be the catalyst for real institutional adoption of Bitcoin, the regulated asset that can be trust and that is vetted by risk managers by the SEC. While nothing that regulation in crypto space is inevitable, Melker said that the new SEC chairman Gary Gensler, who previously taught crypto courses in the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT), will likely introduce sensible regulations that will benefit the crypto industry. Jensen recently told Senator Elizabeth Warren that additional authorities and resources are needed for the oversight of the crypto industry. Now, reasonable regulations that protect consumer is a good thing, and that would likely open the door to a lot of big institutional money that's waiting on the sideline for sort of a green light to enter the space. Now, Melker also discussed his price prediction for Bitcoin. At the time of the writing today, the price of Bitcoin stands at 47,218, while the price of Ethereum is 3,273 based on the data from Bitcoin.com. Now, it is a function of price actually catching on to the value. The Wolf of Wall Street host explains, we saw a major liquidation of leveraged traders, which caused the cascade of prices to go down further than they should have. Now, he elaborated that Bitcoin dropped from 60,000 to 50,000. We saw almost 10 billion in liquidation. 1 million individual retailer accounts were liquidated, and we saw similar activities from 40,000 to 30,000. Now, I don't think that was a fair value of Bitcoin. Now we are going to see institutional interest coming back and taking advantage of the deep prices, predicting a new high for Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of the year. Melker describes, I believe that this is a correction, is likely over, and that we will see a new all-time highs by the end of the year. I would not be surprised at all to see Bitcoin trading in six figures within the next 6 to 12 months, or Ethereum even pushing towards 10,000 in that time. He added that in the long run, Bitcoin will likely be 7-figure assets and Ethereum about 20,000 to 30,000 asset at a minimum. In May, Melker said that investor could get into crypto market by investing in the same meme coin currency, Dogecoin. Tesla CEO and owner of NBA team Dallas Maverick Cuban recently said that Dogecoin is the strongest cryptocurrency when it comes to the medium of exchange. A
Wow.
lot of stuff from the Wolf of Wall Street.
A lot of stuff. 100K as expected.
As
Yes, it's gonna
expected.
reach. Yeah.
But I don't think it will be 6 to 12 months, Manish. I think maybe by the end of the year, based on
I
the
think so. I think so. It
right.
will be by end of this year,
Yeah,
and yeah, those who have holding it from a long time, they are going to be benefited,
they're
and
gonna be
those who missed
benefited,
out,
right?
yeah. So I think too late. because anyway, if you spend huge amount here, it's going to be a 2x
Yeah,
only.
2x. I mean, it's still not late if you guys want to buy in. Of course, this is just a personal
This is a personal advice, yeah, but
advice, my
it's just
opinion.
my own calculation that you are going to get a 2x,
Right.
I think. Yeah.
2x, right? So if you put $1,000 and buy Bitcoin, you're gonna get 2,000, right? So of course, with everything, especially in the crypto, we can have the rise and fall of 50% in a single day.
Yeah,
So
and you have endless possibilities in cryptos, and their market is it's already in a bull market, and then probably many things is coming on the way. But we keep sharing the
yep,
informations in this channel. Yeah,
right. 70 over videos and 400 strong community here at Root Zones. We have been sharing our
and
philosophy.
yeah, and that's
Yep.
very fast. We have achieved it. I think we just started 25 days or the 30 days back, and we have achieved so much. Yeah.
Yeah. So each day, one video. That's our promise. 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to share and subscribe to this channel. So with that, Manish, that's all I have in the news. Back to you.
All right. So today again, I'll go to Royal Q again.
Royal Q, amazing time, and the reason why we are sharing these guys because in the next 3 months is anticipated of the bull. This is a very good time to see a very nice automated way to make money while you sleep as a form, as one channel of passive income. And this Saturday, guys, we are going to bring somebody who has taught us how to make even more utilizing the tool. So he'll be on the channel, and we'll do a live interview with Samson. I'm just going to reveal his first name. So.
Yeah. So he going to show us the trading strategies. So be prepared, guys. Before that, ensure you downloaded the app and you have configured it. I think in the last video we have shown you how to do a binding, but activation part was missed out.
Mm,
Today we are going to share the activation part, as well as the full video tutorial is streaming on a YouTube channel.
yeah.
If you want to head over there and see in configuration of Royal Q, you can just watch it over there.
Yep. So while Manish sets this up again, just to reaffirm, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook. Join also our Telegram so that because we are working on blockchain projects also, sometimes we don't really start at 9 p.m. But when we do, we update the Telegram group. So do join us 9 p.m. Singapore time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you like money and crypto again, smash subscribe button. Manish,
Yeah.
back to you.
So before I share the video, just to let you know, those guys who are not aware about RoyalQ Trading Bot, RoyalQ Trading Bot is a computer program based on set of cryptocurrency trading signals that helps determine whether to buy or sell a crypto pair at a given point in time. It was developed in China and owned by a Chinese company. The Royal Q robot is designed to remove the psychological element of trading, which
Mm.
can be determined in an investment or trading cryptocurrencies. Robots like Royal Q are designed to automate crypto trading on your behalf. So, if you are not sure when to buy, what to buy, this is the strategies. I think we are in upcoming weeks. We are going to reveal many secret of this product. So you can other hand need not to pay attention to the market statistics. Of course, if you are aware of the market statistics and trading, it's going to give you a next level of benefit. And then pick the cryptocurrency to trade and at what time. These bots helps automate the analysis and interruptions of the market stats. They can gather market data, interpret it, calculate the potential market risk, and execute buying or selling crypto assets on your behalf. Just thinking of it as a hiring a cryptocurrency trading experts to your crypto trading, while you can sit back and watch the profit just with one click. Just click off it, hiring a cryptocurrency trading expert to do your crypto trading while you can sit back. Okay, the Royal Q crypto trading bots can often save you a lot of time
Yep.
and are more cost effective than a hiring human expert. The truth is, cryptocurrencies are known for being extremely volatile, and the majority of our time price fluctuate drastically even in the space of a minute. So the trader many cases are unable to react quickly enough to change in the market price to achieve their trading goal. So this is where the crypto bot like Royal Q, a Royal Quantitative, get into the picture. They are nothing but automated tools and conduct trade and execute transactions on behalf of the users. So let me share the
Yeah. So in short, you buy something at $1, you are sleeping. You set the bot actually does the automation for you. It makes the profit. It sells everything. It buys in again the entry, and it keeps repeating. So when the high tide comes, especially as we're coming to the bull market, you will fully utilize this tool in less than 3 months. Of course, myself and Manish, by December, sometime between November and December, we will sell everything. We will stop the robot because we understand the market cycle will be coming into a down, and when it is down, that's where we kickstart again the robot so that it trades while we sleep. So that's one
correct.
avenue of money. The other avenue, of course, moving forward, will be showing on the pancake and so forth. So, Manish, take it away.
Yeah. So, as and when you come to our Root Zones channel, you can see there's two playlists. One is Learn Cryptocurrency Investing, and one is Live Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency News, which every day our live stream goes to this playlist, and our Learn Cryptocurrency Investing, anything how to's or tutorial goes on this playlist. Just to ease your browse through, I'm just showing you here. Okay, so if you go to this playlist and you can refer this new video which we have uploaded, how to get started Royal Q trading bots. So hope the sound is accessible, right?
Yes. Oh, no. I
Sound is
think,
not right.
yeah, it's not. Yeah.
Okay, let me share the sound first. Okay, stop sharing. Share, share with the audio.
So, guys, you
Okay.
got 3 months for this opportunity. Don't miss it out.
Yeah, so
mobile phone or based on your platform you're using it, you can download the app. If you're using iPhone, you can go ahead and click on an app store, and if you're using uh, Android phone, then you can
just to let you know, I think registration part I have already covered in a previous video. Here I'm going to show you how to download this app in your iPhone or a Google Play, and how you can use and activate it for further use. So
click on a Google Play. And then once you click on a Google Play, it will route it to the Google Play. You click on install. I'll prompt you for the permissions, allow it, and then you can just click on install. And you can see the review, it's quite good here, 4.6, and then the number of download also is quite high here. So just click on install and it will start installing the application. And you can see that now the application is installed already. Now you can just open it, and you have to give necessary permissions for your app. And now here is the screen where you have to log in. So login, what you have to do is you can use the same email address which we have used to register account, and you can use the password. Click on a login, it will allow you to log into the, and now you can see that we have logged into Royal Q. So now your registration is completed. You have successfully logged into this app. And before you go to API binding, now the first thing is you have to activate this applications. Activation is something that you have to pay a yearly subscriptions, but don't worry, it's not so high, and you'll be able to recover that money in just a week time. So you can see that there is an activation button, and then there is an asset where I have a 00 USDT. So the first thing what we had to do is we had to transfer $100+ here. Why $100+ is 100 for your activation, and plus means $20-30 you can transfer extra, because any transaction you are going to do it is going to take a fuel charge. The fuel charge is very minimal, similar to Binance transaction fee. Similar to that, Royal Key is also charging it, which is very minimal. Now you can see that there is a chain name which is TRC20, and now you have a URL, means address of your USDT. So you can copy this USDT address, and you will be able to transfer money using this address from any of your exchange. So now you have to ensure that you should use TRC20 network while transferring the money here in the Royal Queue. And you can use multiple wallet and multiple exchange to transfer the money here. So as I mentioned that you have to transfer more than $100 because $100 will go for your activation, and there should be some balance for your transaction fee when it's when the Royal Queue start trading, and that will be the Royal Queue trading fees. So now as you can see that I've already transferred 100 plus amount from my Binance to Royal Queue, and the recharge has arrived. So now it's a time to activate the app. Now we'll go to mine, and then we'll click on activation. We'll just
So, guys, this is the screen where you can see that I have transferred 119 USDT, and then it's just one click, and after that, you'll be able to activate the app. And after activating it, this activation valid for a year. After that, again, you have to activate it with another cost. So once it's activated, only you can do this API binding. API binding is from your exchange, either Binance or Hobby.
click on activate, and you can see that funds started reflecting after I transfer money from my Binance account. So now just click on activate, and it will ask you for some confirmations. Just click on a confirm, and then it's prompting for information, just that you are going to pay $100. $100 is going to deduct it, and now your system is activated already.
So, yeah, as you can see, that activation is quite straightforward. You have to transfer USDT from your exchange to your Royal Queue, and you have to click on activation button. Once activated, you go ahead and click here on a API binding. And API binding, in the further videos, I think I have covered in details each security features I have covered for the API bindings. Your API binding is going to be very secure, so don't worry about the security features because we are restricting access with the IP addresses. So watch through the entire video. You'll come to know the API binding. You'll come to know how to trade. And this Saturday, we are bringing in the expert of trading strategy. So probably you will learn more. Before that, get ready with the Royal Queue, download it, activate it, and be ready for the Saturday show. Thanks. That's all I have it.
Thanks, Manish. Yeah. So again, reason why we are pushing Royal Q is because right now we are entering the bull market. This tool will actually help you, to actually do the trading, especially if you are new and beginning. You just have to replicate the success of others, and we have tested that replication of that success formula because individual coins have different dollar cost average, different strategies, and how to automate that. So somebody has actually put in the time and money and has proven results. And all you have to do is just press, like what Manish said, few clicks of the button, you replicate his success. Of course, he gets a certain fee, which is nominal. And then you start to see, like today, I'm just making close to about 30 US dollars just for one day. And of course, my capital that I've tested this strategy was 2000 USDT. So, of course, with a minimum of 150 USDT, you can start trading at a simple $10 for one coin. So there is a formula for managing your money based on your capital. There's dollar cost average. There's technicals indication that's done for you. Automation risk has been assessed, as well as cash flow management. Now this is one component of automation that we use to channel passive income to the overall portfolio. We have many over a period of time that we have learned. Manish has covered a few things like the pancake swap. Now we are going into robotics, and so forth. So look into that because now we are also moving into the gaming and NFT. So you can play games and earn money as you go. So I think that will be the future. We will be moving into the digital age where there's AR, there's even artificial intelligence, there's also what do you call it, virtual world, virtual reality. So these are things that is coming up in the pipeline, and blockchain is the name of the game. So without further ado, let me share what's happening on the market today. So as we can see, again, amazing time. We see 72 in terms of the psychology, the confidence of the market, being a contrarian thinker, similar to Warren Buffett, as you can see. Let me share. This happened during COVID time. Today we have a very nice accumulation that happened over a period of weeks. I think since May we waited about 2 months and we acquired, myself and Manish in Wood Zones acquired a lot, and we were sharing with the community of 400 strong on to purchase the coins because we were waiting and gearing up for the bull run. And the bull has came from 1st of July after the B word event. You can check out some of our past historical videos. Everything is there. We are back up, of course not as high as we want it to be yet. So that's something. So just a side note, if there's extreme fear in the market, it creates buying opportunity. That is the bear. We buy. And as investor, it gets too greedy, it's due to a market correction. So when there's a bull, we sell. Of course, in our philosophy, we always hold Bitcoin as 50% of our portfolio. So that's something that is the land you buy to look forward to the future. Now, of course, this chart actually takes into account the volatility, market momentum, social media, conversations in terms of the community, the dominance, as well as the trend. Similarly, in the stock market, we have VIX. So VIX measures the index of the stock market. I won't go much into this. I'm just always looking at the indicator for a very simple reason, is because right now there's a lot of printing that's happening in the US. There's a debasement of the US dollars. Everybody is trying to find ways to earn more money. The Feds are actually printing more money and giving zero interest rates. So looking at the crypto space in the next coming charts, you will start to see that these new so-called assets is not official yet as qualified around the world legally as an asset, is still considered as a digital good. So people are still talking about taxation on this because it's still a small industry. 2 trillion. As we start to grow and scale and government policies comes in, that's where we will start to maybe adopt this as a full asset as part of the other 4 which we have covered in future videos. So looking at this amazing green
Wow.
today, beautiful. We love this. Of course, the darker green shows a 6% example, more than 6% like BNB coins. BNB is taking about 50% of the crypto space, followed by Ethereum. As you can see here, $2 trillion have actually entered the markets. If you look at our first video when we covered, maybe not the first, a few videos earlier, we were talking about 1.4 trillion. So you can see that money is flowing in, and they're specifically flowing in into Bitcoin, which is 888. No, in a Chinese tradition, 888 is called fat, which means lucky. So very nice to see this number today. We hope to hit this to 1 trillion, and then we'll maybe recover back our Bitcoin highest price that we have ever seen at 64,000. So 2 trillion, Bitcoin dominance is 43%, Ethereum is 80%. We have 11,000 over such crypto. Of course, some will make and some will break. And that's why with the US policy makers coming in, most of these will be aligned to protect the retailers like ourselves. And retailers like ourselves, we have a daytime job and we are using automations like what Manish covered in terms of Royal Q to trade on our behalf when we sleep, when we work, because we don't have time to trade. And Woodso's job is to tell you the top trending things that is happening in the space, as well as certain things that you need to take note in terms of how to. So do subscribe to this channel. We have 395 exchanges, and let's see, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up by 2.77, Ethereum is up by 3.70, BNB coin, amazingly done today, 8.13, Cardano is up by 2.23, USDT slightly up by 0.01, XRP is up by 0.54, Doge is up amazingly by 14.50, Polkadot is up by 13.49, and Solana, our favorite, has made it, guys, to the top 10 in terms of market cap. So Solana, well done to you guys.
Oh my God, it's 63 today.
It's $63. We went up 36.12. Amazing day for Solana. Great win, great team, great leadership. They took off. Before they take off the plane, they learned all they could about Ethereum's flaws. They developed the plane and they flew the plane. So hats off to you guys. Amazing. Look at the run up. Very nice run up. And in terms of Solana,
Now I have a FOMO for this. Fear
yeah,
of missing out. Yeah, seriously, the
yeah.
way it's growing.
Yeah, so good run up. And Manish, we covered this. It was 50%. I think one time you covered one of it. It was $29.
$29, and that time itself we told that it's going to be rocket. And look at the MNG today.
MNG. Yeah, MNG went up a bit crazy. Let me just go to this coin market cap.
Solana. I'm gonna miss you, Solana.
Yeah, we most likely have to wait, man. So
Yeah.
MNG in the last year, of course, still they went up a bit. Now they dropped. Is this MN? No, sorry, this is the wrong
No, no,
one.
it's not the one.
Some I think Moon
Moon Nation
Nation. Yeah,
MNG is
some I think some is. Let's try here. MNG Moon Nation game. So Moon Nation game, of course, it's an NFT and game, which I told you they haven't launched the game. And in the last couple of videos, I shared that we have been speaking to the CEO of the company. So I'm trying to get him on the show. Hopefully he responds. We'll get him on a Saturday to share the roadmap of Moon Nation, and it's going amazingly. We came
Yeah,
in.
guys, so we are sharing this in our show because I want you guys to be witness of the success of this coin.
Yeah, we will come
So,
back to this day and share with you.
yeah,
Of course, this is again, guys, we're just sharing. This channel is about education, financial education. We learn, we earn, and we share. So
it,
it's
it,
not financial advice. Again,
it's
do
just
your
our
own.
research. We just saw
Yeah.
this cryptocurrencies roadmap, the project, the team, and
Mm,
we trust it. Of course, it's our personal investigation, analysis, or whatever you call it. Uh, do your own research before investing in any
right.
crypto. Don't go with the recommendation. But I can see the potential of this
Potential.
crypto.
Right, their competition Infinity Axis started also the same as 0.02 and went up to 66 US dollars. So your $1,000 would have been close to $1 million, right? I mean, do the math.
And
So yeah, so in the last, of course, 1 month, you can see Bitcoin 46%, guys. And this is why lawmakers are coming out because they want to gain back the control. If anyone can tell me any other investments today in today's market that can get me 46% per month, please let
none.
me know in the comment. Please let me know in the the comment section below. I would
I
like
also
to.
want to explore,
Yeah,
and
I
I
would
want to
like.
open another channel for.
I want to open another channel. I want to open another channel. I want to open another account, and I want to do the investment. So Ethereum
Yeah,
67, 640, 74. The list goes on. Doge 79, 88, Polkadot. So of course, these are all crazy speculations. If you look even at 1 year, it goes even more bizarre with BNB 1,700, 14,000, 9,000 for Doge. Your $1 would have been 94. $1 traded in Doge 1 year ago would be 94 US dollars for one coin. So that's the name of the game. That's the crypto space. There's risk, but there's also winners, right? So let's go over to
and
the charts.
as I always say that if you know what you're doing, there is no risk. But it's my thought, and I have read somewhere, and I like this thought process as well.
Yeah, of course. You reduce the risk with knowledge. And like most people trade in the bulls, they make a lot of money and they boast about it. We make money in the bear, so we make money in the bull and the bear, and we make money now. Not even a year, we are making daily, guys, daily. So if you can get $20 a day or $25 a day, can you imagine what is that in a year? US dollars. So how would that have changed your life? I'm not talking about millions. I mean that is a different strategy. I'm just talking about daily to cover your necessities, right? So that's something to think about. Don't be someone, especially if you are young. Most of our people in our channel are between the age of 25 to 40. You still have years ahead, and if you should understand what Einstein said in terms of compounding interest, right? So use the power of time to leverage to do the sacrifices you need to make now so that your future is taken care of. I mean, we are just sharing our own experience and our own downfalls that we had over the last 30 over years in terms of trading. This is the new way, So if you are a millennial, this is your day. One millennial did say that he was born into the world where he missed out the opportunity to take a pixel and axe the gold mine to harness the gold to sell it because that was done by his forefathers. Today, in this new age, the gold mine is Bitcoin, right? So that's something to take note. And let's look at the charts. Bitcoin. MA was 50, 200. The yellow line is the 50 moving day average. It just takes on every day for 50 days. What is the trend like? As well as the red line showing the 200 day. There is an anticipation that this will cross over to the red and we will see Bitcoin fly to the moon. Of course, again, that is just speculation, but we have been looking at the charts for quite some time now, and looking at this, you have nice volume, not as high as the initial days that happened, but we start to see the green representing the bull. People feel bullish about the coin. The red is the seller, so the bull and the red. But with that, there's still momentum in terms of money flow coming to it, pushing the price action up. And we have crossed both lines in terms of the price today, trading at almost 46,000. We are anticipating a resistance at a 49. If we break the 49 and get supported at a 49, then we'll be looking at the next pump. Most likely will be, if I were to anticipate the same momentum, it would be this cross. Let me just chart the cross now, and let me just do a duplication of this, clone it to see roughly the new height. The next new height would be the 57,000 mark. So let's see if that happens over time. Of course, if you are new to Bitcoin, our philosophy, dollar cost average monthly, just put it like a fixed deposit, is still hodl. This has been tracked for there's some algorithms that go into this. This is a 10-year chart. Today is still considered cheap because we anticipate the price to be at 100,000. So 46,000 is still 50% more to hit the 100,000. Looking at the transactions, the dip that happened here was of course due to the China government, a $3 trillion mistake, as what Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, has said. But the North America picked it up, and they have set up more. They have got investors to buy more power into hashing the transactions for Bitcoin, and we are climbing up. So when we hit there, most likely we'll be at the 64,000 mark. So that's all I have today. Manish, anything on your side?
I think nothing from my side as well. Yeah.
Awesome. So guys, again, thank you. Do check us out on Saturday. It's going to be an amazing time. We're going to talk about the automation way to trading, kind of a lazy man way for trading. So with that, we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same
Lazy
channel.
man and a smarter way. So, and if you have any further questions, please let us know.
Take care, guys.
Take care, guys.